I am going to show you how you can post your videos on YouTube and get more views. So many creators mistake this or they misunderstood this. Many of them, oh, I don't have laptop, I don't have laptop to post my videos. How do I do it? I heard that I have to post from the YouTube studio. Okay, fine, all good. I'm not saying post it from your Chrome browser is not okay. That's not what I'm here to say. But then I'm here to prove to you that even while posting on your Apple, like on your YouTube app, there's a way you can optimize your video and you're still going to get that same views you get while you use your Chrome browser to upload a video. You're still going to get that views. So in today's video, I'm going to teach you how you can upload on your YouTube app and the way you can optimize it. All right. So no hassle for like I don't have laptop, I don't do this, I don't do that. Posting both on both places is good. I'm not disputing that, but many people just mistake it that they have to have a laptop to post their video before they can post. You can use your app to post and you still get that views you need. So that being said, hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. On this channel I give you YouTube tips and how to make money online. So please, if this video is what you like to watch, kindly watch to the very end, and please subscribe to the channel, give this video a thumbs up, and please don't forget to drop your comment in the comment section. If you don't even know what to type in the comment section, you can just say thank you. I mean, that will go a long way. So that being said, let me show you on my screen here how you can post your video. So I'm going to be putting the screen record here or here while editing. So that being said, let's go right into the video. So I'm going to click on screen record now. All right. So I'm recording already. I'll go to this plus sign. Then I'll go to video. All right. I'll go to video. Then I'll click on the video I want to upload. Okay, I don't have many video on this phone, but then I'll look for a video that I'm going to upload. Or let me say, okay, let me pick this one. So I'm going to be uploading this video here, and I'll upload. I'll just upload it. All right, it's loading. So while posting on your app, you just have to take time because I noticed that posting on app takes time. Even on on laptop or on a Chrome browser, it has to load. Like uploading your video has to load from 1% to 100%. So right now it's loading. I don't know, maybe it's network that is making it slow, but then it should have loaded. So sorry for the breakout, guys. So let's continue. So right now, if you can see this page, all right, if you can see this page as it is, you write your caption, which is your title. So I'm going to say practical. Yeah. So you see this visibility, this visibility. I'm not going to put it on public yet. And why I'm not putting it on public yet, and this is where most of you do the mistake. All you need, because most of you, while you are posting on your app, you do these necessary things and you publish it immediately. No, it's not like that. That's not how to do it. So right now, I'm going to put the visibility on private or unlisted. So right now I'm going to just let me put this on. Let me just say unlisted. I'm going to put it on under unlisted, all right? Because I don't want you to go to public now because I still have to do some settings before I post it, all right? So my audience, not made for kids. This is not my main channel. This is like my second channel. So all these settings has not been done before. So, and another thing I need you to take note is that If you're uploading a long form video that is up to 3 minutes upward, you have to record your video in a landscape mode. Like, this is how you record your video, not like this. Not like this. This is the aspect ratio for 16 by 19 is the aspect ratio for YouTube long videos. So no matter if you record your video in a long form mode, or a what is it? I don't know. Is it vertical? I think vertical horizontal. I'm sorry, I don't know anything. Or in a short, this if you record your video like this is a short form mode, but if you record like this is a long form mode. So I advise that if you are recording your long form video, you have to record this way, so you get that actual size for YouTube size. So right now, I'm not going to put any related video because I think the video is more than 1 minute, but then I'm not going to do that. So altered content, I'll click no because it's my video. So I'm going to click, and now it's telling me upload shots, and this is because the minute of this video is 2 minutes 11 seconds, and I think shorts now takes up to 3 minutes, 3 minute video, so it's still going to categorize, how you call that, big categorize. Yes, that's the English I want to speak. Categorize this video that I'm using for practical as a short. So I'm just going to upload it anyway. So while this is uploading, guys, many of you are watching my video, but then you're not subscribing. What have I done to you? So while that is uploading, I'm just waiting for it to upload. After it has uploaded, then you see the reason why I had to put it under on list, because I have to do some little touching about it. I don't want to just post it like that. I don't want to post it like that. And this is where most of you get it wrong. You don't optimize your video for views. You just post, you just believe, oh, I can post, you just post like that. No, it's not done that. You have to monetize, you have to optimize your video so you'll be able to get the views you desire. So the YouTube algorithm will be able to know the kind of audience to push your videos to. And this is why I will not stop preaching on you optimizing your video, because YouTube here is a search engine optimization. That's why we call it SEO. That SEO is very important for your video to be noticed. So the video has actually uploaded. Let's continue. So I'm going to click on the video. So right now I'm going to click on the video, and this is it. So I'm just going to click on these three dots to edit. All right, I'm going to click on it to edit it. Now, this is where the work is. This is where the work is. Now, when you are uploading your video, make sure that the keywords your video is talking about is attached to your title. So now I'm going to change it from practical to YouTube growth. Now, you should know that me using YouTube growth is another keyword to my channel, to what my video is about. So I'm going to use YouTube growth as my title. Then I'll come to this description. Make sure you write a very well detailed description. Even though you don't know how to write description, please just take your title and what your video is about, to ChatGPT, and let that AI draft out description for you, and make sure you tell the AI that it should include keywords related to that video that you're about to post. Or if it's that you saw the video on top creators channel, go to the description, see the way they wrote that description, then you craft out something like that. So right now I'm going to write, if you're looking you are looking for YouTube views. Oh, In this video, I explain in details. Just to call the long video, I don't want to record a very long video. I explain a detailed video on how to grow your YouTube channel. That is my own description. Then you can further add your tags on that. Then you come to this audience. Audience is not related, right? Your location is okay. Now, if you want to add that same video to your playlist, probably a YouTube growth playlist, you click on this playlist, you add it. Because I don't have what is it called? I don't have any playlist here because this is not my main channel. Add your video. Always make sure that you add the video on that playlist. Then after you do that, you add your tags if you're adding tags. So let me say YouTube growth. You add it. It's going to add. So make sure you add your tag, and please don't add more than 10 tags to a video. So after you have done that, you put everything in tags. So everything is in tags now. You make sure your title is carrying your keywords, your description is carrying your keywords, your tags is carrying your T-Rex, and your video is on that playlist. So this is where you optimize your channel for views. This is where you optimize your video for views. Because why many people don't like posting from their YouTube app is because they don't optimize it. And this is the same thing you still do while you are using a laptop. So why not take your time before you upload your video? And another thing is that as my visibility now is unlisted, I'm not still going to put it in public. Public. What I'm going to do now is to schedule that video. If I'm posting this video tomorrow, which is 25th, today is 24th, I'm going to schedule it to today against tomorrow. So always schedule your video so YouTube algorithm will take its own time to know what your video is all about and the kind of audience is going to push your videos to. So I'm just going to schedule this one now. I'm going to schedule it. Okay. Remember, I'm not posting this video, right? So then you add your thumbnail. You see this pencil icon? You are going to add your thumbnail. You go to your gallery, you add your thumbnail, then you upload. Then you upload. Then you see save here. You save it. Shikena. It's the same thing you are going to do even when you have a laptop. It's the same thing you can do on your Chrome browser. So people, I don't know the kind of English I want to put because I've watched so many videos saying you shouldn't post with your phone. Of course, you can post with your phone, but the way you optimize it is what really matters. Because every video you are posting here, you have to optimize it well. Though it's not all videos that will go on YouTube, yes, but you know that video you don't expect to blow up is that video that is going to blow up. So any video you are posting, just make sure that you are posting them. You have seen visions that, oh, this video is going to do well when I post it. Don't just post for posting sake. No, it's not done that way. So that brings me to the end of this video. So please don't be don't be don't be too worried while posting on your YouTube app. You can also use the YouTube app and you can use the Chrome, the web mode. All right, you can use your laptop or you can use your Chrome browser mode, anyone. And you can post on anyone, but the way you optimize the video is what really matters. So thank you so much for watching to the very end. See you in my next video. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and comment below. See you in my next video. Till then, bye.